Welcome to a deep dive into the remarkable transformation of the armed forces of the Philippines, a journey that is redefining the nation's role in regional security and global affairs. The year 2025 marks a pivotal turning point. After decades of challenges and years of careful planning, investment, and strategic vision, the Philippines is finally seeing its efforts come to fruition. The landscape of national defense is evolving before our eyes. The country is making a historic shift, from a focus on internal security to establishing a credible external deterrence. This transformation is reshaping the Philippines' defense posture, preparing it to face new and emerging threats in a rapidly changing world. At the heart of this sweeping change is the ambitious Horizon 3 modernization program. This $35 billion 10-year initiative, launched in 2024, is the largest and most comprehensive defense upgrade in Philippine history. But this isn't just about acquiring new equipment. It's about building a resilient, multi-layered defense architecture, one designed to safeguard the nation's vast maritime territories, protect its airspace, and ensure the security of its people for generations to come. The AFP is pivoting to become more agile, technologically advanced, and fully capable across land, sea, air, and cyberspace. Training, doctrine, and innovation are all being elevated to meet the demands of modern warfare. The acquisitions and upgrades we'll explore in this series send a clear and unmistakable message. The Philippines is committed to strengthening its defense and contributing to regional stability in the Indo-Pacific. Join us as we unpack the most significant additions to the Philippine arsenal in 2025. From cutting-edge counter-drone technology and advanced missile systems to next-generation fighter jets and integrated cyber defense capabilities. The nation's ambition, determination, and resolve are setting a new standard for security in the Indo-Pacific, inspiring confidence among allies and sending a strong signal to the world. The sky is now a battleground for drones, and the Philippines is meeting this threat head-on in 2025. The Integrated Fires Protection Capability High-Powered Microwave (IFPC-HPM) system, tested during Balakatan 25, uses directed energy to disable entire drone swarms. Working alongside it is the FS LIDS, a system that detects, tracks, and defeats small, hard-to-spot drones. Together, they create a layered defense. FS LIDS identifies threats, IFPC-HPM neutralizes them. Philippine Air Force personnel have undergone specialized training to maximize these systems' effectiveness. This proactive adoption of next-gen counter-UAS tech gives the AFP a crucial edge in asymmetric warfare. The invisible shield is now up, protecting critical assets and infrastructure from modern aerial threats. With one of the world's longest and most vulnerable coastlines, the Philippines faces unique maritime security challenges. Its vast stretches of islands and open waters demand a defense system that is both powerful and flexible, capable of responding to threats from any direction at a moment's notice. Enter NMESIS, the Navy Marine Expeditionary Ship Interdiction System, deployed in 2025 to transform the way the Philippines protects its shores. This advanced system is designed to give the country a decisive edge in coastal defense, deterring potential adversaries before they can even approach. At the heart of NMESIS is the Naval Strike Missile, a stealthy, sea-skimming cruise missile with a 185-kilometer range. Its precision targeting and low radar signature make it extremely difficult for enemy ships to detect or evade, ensuring a powerful punch against hostile vessels. NMESIS's high mobility allows rapid redeployment along the archipelago's extensive coastlines, making it a persistent, unpredictable threat to any hostile warships. Its ability to move quickly and operate from various locations keeps adversaries guessing and on the defensive. Its shoot-and-scoot capability ensures both survivability and lethality throughout any conflict. By firing and then swiftly relocating, NMESIS avoids counterattacks and remains a constant danger to enemy fleets. The 2025 Balakatan deployment is more than just a military exercise. It's a clear and unmistakable deterrent signal to potential aggressors. It demonstrates the Philippines' commitment to defending its sovereignty and working closely with allies to maintain regional stability. By integrating in MISIS, the Armed Forces of the Philippines creates a layered maritime defense network, combining missile systems, surveillance, and command coordination. This multi-layered approach complicates any hostile naval plans and strengthens the nation's overall security. Combined with air and naval assets, this system secures Philippine maritime frontiers like never before, ensuring that every approach to the archipelago is monitored and protected. The coast is now guarded by cutting-edge technology, highly trained personnel, and unwavering strategic resolve, ushering in a new era of maritime security for the Philippines. Air superiority is essential, and in 2025, the Philippine Air Force is taking flight as a true regional power. The planned acquisition of F-16CD Block 70/72 Vipers brings advanced radar, precision munitions, and a 550-kilometer combat range. These jets, alongside an expanded fleet of FA-50PH Fighting Eagles, create a flexible, cost-effective force structure. The FA-50PH's 800-kilometer combat radius supports a variety of missions, from air combat to ground attack. Ground-based air defense is also getting a boost with 9 Israeli Spider-MR surface-to-air missile systems, capable of engaging multiple threats at up to 50 kilometers. This layered approach ensures robust air defense over critical areas, completing the PAF's transformation. The skies above the Philippines are now defended by a modern, formidable force. The Philippine Navy is evolving into a blue water force, ready to secure the nation's maritime interests. The acquisition of 2 diesel-electric submarines marks a historic leap, introducing stealth and underwater combat capabilities. New corvettes, frigates, and a fleet of patrol vessels will bolster maritime security and power projection. Unmanned surface vessels deployed during Balikatan 2025 add persistent surveillance and free up manned ships for complex missions. This modernization blends submarines, advanced surface combatants, and unmanned tech into a balanced, potent fleet. The Philippine Navy is now equipped to face 21st century maritime challenges head-on. The nation's waters are more secure than ever. Information dominance is key, and the Philippines is investing heavily in advanced ISR drones. 9 Hermes 900 mail drones from Israel provide 36-hour endurance and 1,000-kilometer range, delivering real-time intelligence across land and sea. 4 Hermes 450 drones add tactical flexibility, supporting both strategic and frontline operations. This multi-layered ISR network gives commanders persistent situational awareness and rapid decision-making power. Drones track illegal fishing, monitor incursions, and support search and rescue, fundamentally enhancing operational effectiveness. For land forces, they provide real-time intelligence, scout ahead, and coordinate fire support. The AFP's new ISR capability is a game-changer, giving it a decisive edge in every domain. The eyes of the nation are always open. The Philippine Army is modernizing for both internal security and external defense. 20 Sabra ASCOD light tanks bring mobility and firepower, filling a critical capability gap. These tanks can be rapidly deployed across the archipelago, supporting infantry wherever needed. Additional S-70 Black Hawk helicopters multiply the Army's reach, enabling swift troop transport and medevac across islands. New personal equipment, communications, and night vision gear enhance soldier effectiveness and survivability. The Army is building a balanced, mobile, and lethal ground force for the modern battlefield. These upgrades ensure the Army remains a formidable pillar of national defense. The land is protected by a force ready for any challenge. The Philippines' defense transformation is amplified by its alliances, especially with the United States. The 2025 Balikatan exercises showcase joint training with cutting-edge systems like IFPC HPM and NMISIS, building real-world interoperability. High-level visits and strategic dialogues reinforce mutual defense commitments and shared objectives in the South China Sea, This partnership provides access to advanced tech, world-class training, and a powerful security umbrella. The Philippines is also diversifying, sourcing systems from Israel, South Korea, Indonesia, and Europe. This multi-pronged approach ensures access to the best technology and reduces reliance on any single supplier. By weaving together strong alliances and diverse partnerships, the AFP maximizes its strategic options. Global cooperation is now a cornerstone of Philippine defense. The ultimate goal is self-reliance, an aspiration that goes beyond simply acquiring new equipment or technology from abroad. It means building a robust domestic defense industry that not only sustains national security, but also fuels economic growth and innovation for generations to come. The Revitalized Self-Reliant Defense Posture, or SRDP program, is at the heart of this transformation. It emphasizes technology transfer, co-production, and local manufacturing, ensuring that knowledge and skills are passed on to Filipino hands. New acquisitions now often include provisions for Philippine companies to participate in production, assembly, and long-term maintenance, creating valuable jobs and building technical expertise across the country. Local shipyards are already building patrol vessels, marking a significant step toward maritime self-sufficiency and national pride. Meanwhile, expertise in aerospace and electronics is steadily growing, with Filipino engineers and technicians taking on increasingly complex projects. Of course, challenges remain. Funding gaps, the need for advanced technology, and ongoing workforce development are hurdles that must be overcome. But with every successful project, every new skill learned, and every partnership formed, the nation moves closer to true independence and resilience. The real power boost comes not just from acquiring new weapons or hardware, but from the knowledge, skills, and industrial base being built right here at home, laying the foundation for future generations. This journey is a marathon, not a sprint, requiring patience, vision, and unwavering commitment. But the Philippines is determined to finish it step by step, with the dedication of its people and the support of its partners. What do you think of this transformation? How do you see the future of Philippine self-reliance unfolding? Share your insights and perspectives in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this deep dive valuable and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more strategic updates and in-depth analysis. Your engagement and support drive our mission to bring you stories that matter. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward a stronger, more self-reliant Philippines.